Where am I? How'd you get me here? Who are you? How?
Don't worry about any of that. What's important is this.
Space Marines? What? What are you talking about?
Try to understand.
You haven't explained anything yet.
Shut your
What am I
mouth.
supposed to try to understand?
Enough! Listen, you tiny little man that paints other tiny little men. You see Frankie Four Fingers over there? He's gonna mess you up if you don't listen to me.
I'm gonna break your kneecaps.
Why did you only have 4 fingers?
That's a Frankie Four Fingers faux pas, my friend.
It was an exacto accident, Frankie.
Oh.
It hurt a lot.
Enough of this. You posted a few Space Marines online on Instagram, and to your credit, you got some talent, kid.
Oh, thanks.
You also posted a few articles online about how to paint them, the steps to take, what paints you need.
Guilty as charged.
You remember our friend Frankie Four Fingers?
Well, I don't think we're really friends.
Frankie's got an entire Blood Angel army stealing boxes because he doesn't know how to paint them. We need you to give us your Blood Angel recipe.
Really? That's all you needed? You could have literally just taken the Ultramarine paint recipe and used red colors instead. The steps are exactly the same.
No, that's not gonna work. You need to tell us the colors to use.
Dude, there is literally a color called Mephiston Red. Do you know who Mephiston is?
Stop talking. Write it down. Hand it over.
Okay, jeez, I'll do it. All right. All done.
Excellent. What the hell is blood red?
It's an old Citadel paint. It's what I have.
No, you can't buy that paint anymore. We need a conversion chart.
Do you have eyes? Can you look and see with your eyes what colors look similar to blood red?
You're about to have no eyes, little man. Do you hear me?
Okay, I'll do it. Jeez, calm down.
Also, I'm colorblind.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Yeah, it's no good.
Wait, are you one of those guys that's actually colorblind, or do you have a problem interpreting neon fuchsia?
What did you just say to me? Well, that didn't work.
What are we gonna do now, boss? I can't open my army until I got a paint plan.
I think I found our replacement.
What's up guys, welcome back. I'm sorry there was a bit of a delay since the last video. I've been busy painting Angron for a client. So far I've